So let's cut these bad boys. Why you had to embarrass me? The video just started.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, That Chocolate Vegan, with me, Erin Wells, and today we are doing vegan deviled eggs. You heard right, deviled eggs, vegan. And that is why I'm dressed like a Pinterest mom. So stay tuned, children. Let me school you. So for our eggs, guys, we are going to be using Yukon potatoes. I got these from the farmer's market. I tried to pick the smallest ones I could so that they would resemble little egg shapes. Now go ahead and peel. You can do this before or after you cut them in half, whatever your preference is. Now I know what you're thinking.
These don't look too egg-like yet.
Okay, we have to scoop out the little hole in the middle to put our filling in. Now if you're really a Pinterest mom, you have a melon ball scooper which looks like this, but I'm just pretending to be one on TV. So, spoon it is. All right, we're gonna take the middle and carefully make a little well, guys. Carefully. So fun fact, guys, or just interesting fact, period. Eggs was like the hardest thing for me to give up before I went vegan. Like meat and cheese, I know is the normal thing. Like, oh, I'm gonna miss my chicken and whatnot. Nope, it was eggs for me.
When I found this recipe, I said, Lord, you speaking to me.
There you are, guys. I'm trying to be Salt Bae. Was it this way? Let's just evenly distribute that. Don't do that. Don't do what I just did. Just sprinkle them with salt. Don't do that. Let's set these aside and make our filling. Okay guys, the secret ingredient to making these eggs taste like eggs, I am so excited to present to you black salt. For anyone in Atlanta, I got it from Buford Highway's Farmers Market. It's literally in the Indian owl labeled Indian. And this black salt literally has an eggy smell and an eggy taste. No clue what they use it for. To make our yolk, we're going to start off with Great Northern beans, half of this can. 2 tablespoons vegan mayonnaise. 2 teaspoons mustard. 1 teaspoon apple cider vinegar. 1/4 teaspoon salt. 1/2 teaspoon black salt. I'm gonna add a little bit more mayo to make it more creamy. Just another spoonful will do. Now this is optional, but just to add a little bit more yellow, I'm gonna add some turmeric. All right, let me give my yolk a taste. Make sure I don't need to add or you can't subtract anything, so. That definitely tastes like egg yolk. Because I added a little bit more mayonnaise, I'm gonna add a pinch more of the black salt. A pinch. When I say a pinch, that's all I'm gonna add. And stir that in by hand, actually.
It would have been smart of me to take the blade out.
There it is. Okay, because I'm once again a fake Pinterest mom for TV, I don't have the pastry squeezer. We're gonna take the yolk and put it in our Ziploc bag and we're gonna make one because we're resourceful. We don't need the real thing, okay? Judgy. All right, now taking our homemade pastry bag, I looked it up. You're gonna cut a hole right here and squeeze our yolks into our eggs. Yeah, okay, all right, oh, move over, move. Let her in, you stop it. Put some paprika over it, ooh, ooh, oh, it's official. Now let's cut some green onion on top. Okay guys, let's give our excellent creation a taste, okay? All right. That is so good. It tastes like deviled eggs. I miss you so much. It's right there.
Went a little heavy on the paprika, but it's, yeah.
What is this made of though? You gonna tell me or I just gotta chew it?
You just gotta watch the video and see. but you're probably gonna be able to tell.
It's a potato. Okay, starch. Okay, Migos. Y'all might have did something. This is good though, and for real.
Did it taste like, would you have guessed it was a deviled egg? Would I be telling you? Or, you know,
This is not no damn egg.
I mean, it's not an egg, but you know what I mean.
But no. That's mayonnaise on there. I don't care what you say. This mayonnaise, mustard.
It is. It is. Vegan.
No.
It is definitely vegan.
Real people. If y'all subscribe to her on YouTube, she lying.
It's definitely vegan. They already saw me make it. They already saw me make it. It's vegan mayo.
Oh. So you got me out here eating healthy? It's good though. Like if you actually be like, what this tastes like, it's gonna be, I'm gonna say double.
As always, guys, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe down below. And I'll see you next time. Peace.